Hi, Dominic. How are you? How's your week? Great. Hey, Dominic, I've taken a bit of a dive into BTS. They're really cool. Like, really, really awesome. Thanks for introducing me to them. I I really like them. Like I see that they are, all seven of them are uh, so interesting and such talents. It's like the beauty and the talent and the simplicity and humbleness all together. Just great. I really enjoyed the RM actually. Like obviously because he speaks English was easier for me to relate to him and understand him better. Um, but I think he's been a really good leader, and he's also been really honest. Like when he was asked about how can he produce so much content every like twice a year, and he said, man, it's really hard, but we we love what we do, and that's the product of that. So it's really great. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Hey, tell me, which one of the members you like the most? Maybe Jimin, okay, or J Hope, V, okay. Great, great, they're really awesome. And when did you start liking them? Like, when was the time when you really started feeling connection with them? Mm, okay. And where did you, or like, if you imagine, like, if you are part of their team, if you're part of the band, like, would you want to be a singer, or would you want to be an assistant to them, or would you want to be a producer, or which part of the kind of the whole thing would you like to do if you were to be invited to be their team member? Mm, okay, got it, got it. And about that favorite person that you said, which is yours, like what qualities does he have that you like? Mm. And do you know, like, do they have any girlfriends? Because when I've been watching the interviews and their stuff, I didn't really find any girlfriends that they have. Like, I've heard a couple of answers to the questions, but like, what do you know anything? Like, do they have anybody, or they've been single? Do you know? Mm. I mean, they seem to be so hardworking and so focused. It's really admirable, like, and for so long they've been on the for but now 8 years, right? They are like out there and working. It's really great. Awesome. Yeah, I'm looking forward to have more conversations with you about that.